Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there a yard, nothing nice like Jamaica, roast breadfruit and banana.
Good morning, guys. This is my last day in Jamaica, and I'm eating breakfast. I left my aunt to sleep on. She said she's gonna go to the airport with me. But that's my last day. It's too cold, or else I would go to the beach one last time. I'm cold, I just want to relax. But yeah, last day, time came by fast. So guys, I'm with Auntie. We're getting ready to go to the airport, and Leash is trying to find clothes to wear. Mom gave me socks. Let me put them on because now my feet are cold. You see? If I listen to her, I can't go wrong. So what are you wearing? Oh, that will be nice. With what shirt though? That's nice. Pull them up, Leash, please. There you go. I don't like when people wear jeans and then you see like
your body hole.
No, not your body hole, but like there's like air.
You can't find the shirt.
All right, you ready?
What should you look for?
Clothes to wear. Come, Mom.
So what clothes you wear, Avad?
No.
You can't find the shirt. What for you? What shirts? Jean shirts.
Come here, Mommy.
Yeah, come in yourself. Honey.
You know I wanted Jamaican money.
Eh?
I wanted Jamaican money.
Fido. Put out the shirt for the one. No. You can't find me shirts to show. It's something like
I saw your shorts, Leash. Guys, I'm here with my mom.
As I put on sitting, don't be in the room, you know? God knows don't be in the room. Don't be a thing. What time? So 5 then.
7:58, so call it 8. 8 o'clock.
Sometimes black body soup there, look. So you got on here already? So I can't wear no Brazil.
Mom, go in the light. Let me see. Go when you get up. Let me see, Mommy. Guys, let's get ready to go to the airport. I have family in town that I've never met, but I'm leaving, so listen. Oh, at least your phone's charged.
It's charged?
I think so. It still says it's charging, so I guess not. Maybe almost.
Maybe my brother.
What a nut. Mom, you have the mirror? Lisha has a little compact that I gave her.
Where you give me?
The Becca Cosmetics. Lisha, Becca Cosmetics is a big brand, my girl. And I gave Grandma the other one, the darker one. And the Vans. Yes, my girl. Yes, my girl. Yes, my girl. What in the world? What a nut. Yes, my girl. Yes, my girl. With the Vans. Yes, my girl. Listen, Leisha, you don't have no style. You know who has style? My uncle. Didn't you see him with the clean white socks?
Oh,
with the Vans. Listen, what did Pekka say? That he had every color in the Timberlands and the Pumas.
I never listen to about right.
Exactly. I'm weak. You see, Durful was just sitting there.
I never give with it.
Really? Oh my gosh. I've never laughed so hard. Leisha, look, there's more coins here. She's trying to take my hair out. There she is. She just woke up.
Me wake up from morning and shower and eat breakfast.
I'm weak.
Look how your hair long and you not put in my old.
Leisha, after this...
So I want them, man. Let me see so.
After the end of this year, I'm not putting in no more hair. Thank you. The end of this year, my hair will be the length I want it to be, I think. And then I don't have to wear hair. I'll just wear a little clip in here and there. I'll be a natural curlista.
Now put it funny.
Do you guys hear that? It's Leisha's robot. No, stop my girl. Leisha, didn't I clean up your good up bed?
Yeah.
No. Leisha's robot turned off. I'm weak. What is... Guys, I wish I could show you what was going on. No, sir, my girl. And you just have a nice, you should have had a nice little wash to put on your hand. That's it.
I can't find no watch. You can feel over this.
What watch?
Me look a black watch.
Did you, Lisha, you didn't bring no watch over?
Yeah, me we go to church. We have none of us over, so me bring it from. Yeah, I want to go watch.
I don't see no little watch. A little watch would have looked nice on your arm. Your arm looks naked.
I can't wear no chain because I have all this.
Yes, no chain. Just a nice, some arm thing and earrings. You don't have nothing to put on your arm?
Fuck.
Guys, I cannot. Look at Leash. This is her outfit.
Me room untidy, man. Don't fucking fuck around. How's Lisha first?
Herself.
Fucking idiot.
Mom, you look so nice. Look at Mom.
She don't know how to dress. So my socks are not look good. You want to wear them go? It's the part.
No. My foot's hanging off the back.
That can roll out. So come with me for me.
Leisha, alright. Okay. Alright, and then I come do yours. Leisha, where's a straightener?
It's straightener.
To do your leave out. No, sir. No, sir.
You don't want to wear no hat.
No, don't wear no hat. Where's your brush?
It's my brush.
Are you letting me do your eyebrows? Hold on. Yeah, just do.
See your eyes up right back.
No, my girl. Oh, it's soft, Leash. It's soft.
Just straighten it. How many Bluetooth sitting down? Did you mess around my phone?
No. Me, my girl. Not I. Me, my girl. Me, my girl.
This look better than what day.
Yeah, it looks so
Maybe
good.
it looks like some people from some different nation.
I told you.
My face.
I told you. Leisha, but you're brown. Why are you bleaching?
I'm not bleaching. I'm not bleaching.
You're toning?
Me put it by my face. Tone on my face. Nelly.
Leisha, you're born brown. You know, damage your skin and you'll be darker.
Me not bleach, man. I sun and do my face so. Bunny up. Me look like me as a cave me for much years.
That's true.
Yo, Shaggy. Yo, cuz. Family. Yo, I know yours. I mean, say family. Sure. If I want to me hate a fern killer, me no believe in a fern killer. Family. I mean, say family. Sure. Me love me fam of them to me heart. Do the dearest one of them. Real till they to the end, they from me start. Real better them. And them don't know when we are buy 3 sardines and the man go and rise from shop. And them don't know when we are get chase my cups and the back and the hand run job. And I know I'm making now. Know how struggle feel. I know all of the pussy them. I know who fucking real. Now make them treat me and kill me.
Guys, we're leaving. We're on our way to the airport. My auntie's, she's simmering to go to a party later. How come you guys can't try and watch it? I can't help it. I don't know why. I think I'm cursed with grandma's laugh and I'm cursed with how you chew gum. I don't know. I couldn't. What's I gonna say? How come you guys are going to a birthday party and no gift?
Gift? Where gift you come from?
She said ask you for money.
That's what my boy said.
Hi, Errol. Is that Errol's woman?
Something so fresh Errol.
I was scared. He would always pick me up and I hated it. I said, don't pick me up today, please. I don't think he could if he wanted to this time. I'm back to
That's Salaman, right?
Jomo, guys. Yes, what was her name? Queen of Sheba, it's an African name. When you find that out, you know my name. Queen of Sheba.
Queen of Sheba, you know.
Yes. She had beautiful skin.
Alright, my boy, now watch.
Beautiful skin.
Sorry, my boy, sorry. I don't heard.
Beautiful skin. That's what she was known for.
Beautiful skin.
Yes, Queen of Sheba.
Beautiful skin.
Yes. Bye, Jomo.
Bye, take care. You leaving today? Alright, make sure
Next
you have a
time.
good flight.
Thank you.
Whenever time you came, I will be always here.
Alright. Thank you.
care.
Bye. Misha, your man's not out here. The cane man. He must have made a lot of money yesterday. Look at the trash. I'm weave. I'm starting a campaign, guys. I'm so serious about that. Jamaica, Jamaica. Sing the national anthem for me, Jamaica. I mean,
Girl, I give me love, no one that me no prefer. Tell her me not gonna leave and she say great man, whatever. She said me don't take it on so much, girl, won't give me pleasure. But so much mean nothing if me not be girl, me suffer. Cause girl, you me love, you me love. No kind of other girl, you come and tell me about. No, girl, you me love, you me love. And no words alone, me actions speak loud. Yeah, it does make no sense, me leave cause you're too much for me. Exist become me ex because them not for me. And when me feel for you, it's different, everyone can see. Before the world I run, but don't get it believing in me. I've seen many try to break us. They don't wanna see us together, no. People will talk because my famous, but not met that pressure, yo. Oh, you my love, no one that me no prefer. Tell her me not gonna leave and she said great man, whatever. She said me don't make it on so much, girl, won't give me pleasure. But so much mean nothing if me not be girl, me suffer. Cause girl, you me love, you me love. What kind of other girl, they come and tell me about. No, girl, you me love, you me love. And no words alone, me actions speak loud. Seems like I'm losing you, that's how I feel. But when me say me love the girl, just know it's real. No, me no perfect.
listen. Listen what? Listen. No, look at my eyebrow. Guys, we're in Island Grill. Waiting for it's hot in here. We're in Island Grill relaxing. Is the girl getting mad? Is the girl getting mad? Which girl? Wait, I mean, cashier. Is he mad? Huh? Make sure she could thank you. I'm just joking. It's probably cheaper. What?
They should have done water. Let me just say.
Got her red pea soup.
Let me take my fries.
Who got fries?
No, it's so salt.
It is salt? Sweet. Olive grill. Salt?
Hello?
How
You're at the airport. Yes, I don't know good. This is too far.
I can't wait to pay my hair.
Hello, Lily.
I'm just gonna wash. Huh?
Hello, Lily.
I'm just gonna wash it and blow it out. Didn't it look bad if I just blow it out, right? Mom, the soupa look nice. Is that the soupa? Right?
Look nice, it's not taste nice.
The soupa doesn't look good?
Yeah, but it may look good, but not taste good. Their food look good from the menu, but it not taste, they don't taste like how they look.
Oh.
So this is curry chicken and salad flour. If it was salty and nice, it tastes